Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is lesson 538. Today we're gonna look at the difference between fully, full, and in full. And in full is probably the trickiest one of the three. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot. Let's do it right now. Let's get right to it. Fully is an adverb that means completely. So the definition is more like, just completely, and is often used directly before a verb, to modify it, to describe it. All right, let's continue. Full is an adjective that is used to mean something contains as much of a substance it can, or a place that contains as many people as it can. Then we could say that. All right, let's continue. In full is a prepositional phrase that means something has been done or described when everything necessary has been done, especially in a full amount or value. So it really means like with no parts missing. All right, so let's look at some examples where students might, make mistakes. Here's the first one. The evidence has not been fully presented. And you might kind of hear this, but it's really more proper to say the evidence has not been presented in full, with no parts missing. That's the way we would use this. All right, number two. The hotel is booked in full. Now, you definitely wouldn't go this way because that means with no parts missing. That doesn't make any sense. The hotel is fully booked. It's completely booked. Yes, there's no rooms left. Okay. I understand in full what you mean. Sounds awkward, with no parts missing. Not really. I fully understand what you mean. So here you mean completely. So you completely understand. So fully would be best here. Okay, good. And we simply have with the next ones, the cup is half full. Of course, this is the amount that is contained in something, in a container. That bus is full, so of course it's filled with people. Let's take the next one. Okay. Anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it's clear. I hope it was informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.